Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of content, like at least 5 days a week, sometimes more, live streams, giveaways, all kinds of stuff. And there will be a giveaway in today's video of a mystery bag. This is a mystery bag, and I will tell you later on how to win all of this good stuff inside here. And I will show you some of the things that are in there, and it's very exciting because we love mystery bags and I love giving stuff away. And why am I giving it away? Because I have so much stuff and I love to share. So stay tuned. Today we are going to be doing a look with the Provocoutre palette from Marc Jacobs. I did a look with this before, but I erased it somehow. So I'll be doing a look with it again. It is simply beautiful, and hopefully I can recreate my look to be similar to what I did before because I absolutely freaking loved it. I'm not going to swatch this palette. I'm just going to go for it and dig in. I'm going to start with this color right here in the crease. No, I'm going to start with this color right here in the crease. And it is a beautiful plummy color. And this is very cool toned. And it is just beautiful. And it's a bright sunny day. Sunshiny day. Woo woo. Sunshiny day. Woo woo. I think that's partially from the Brady Bunch. They sang a song about a sunshiny day. Maybe I just made it up. Maybe I'm just having some kind of 70s flashback from watching the reruns as a wee child. I was but a wee child watching the reruns of the Brady Bunch. And why am I Irish all of a sudden? That is what I want to know. Why am I Irish? Well, because I'm part Irish. I did the ancestry test, and I've got a lot of British and Northwestern Europe and English and all that kind of stuff. A little Scandinavian and 1% Nigerian. So if I send you an email that's a scam, I won't send you a scam email, I promise. I'm going to go into the outer corner with this color here. There are colors on the back. I started with You Might, and I'm going to go into my outer crease with Otherwise. And these colors are just so beautiful. Oh, Wolfie agrees. What's up, Wolf? You having a good day? And I got this palette from Boxy Charm add-ons. No, pop-up. And then it was also available in the add-ons. Well, you're just a ball of energy today. What do you think about a giveaway? You think that sounds like a good idea, Wolfie? Now he's silent. Silent but deadly. And this is super pretty. I love this. It goes great with my super soft Torrid gray hoodie that I just got recently. There is some kick up in the pan, but nothing that I'm pissed off about. I really don't mind a little kick up in the pan. I prefer it to fall out on the eyes. That's for sure. And I'm going to go into Just Stay, which is this darker purple. Just darkening the outside corner a little, blending it a little bit towards the crease. It's like this side is so much light, it's hard to see. It looks so much darker on the left side. Oh, I have a crazy line of weirdness there. Let's get a tissue. Somehow, I don't know how, but sometimes I just get a separate line that's really defined when I'm putting eyeshadow on my right eye. Let me clean it off and put some of the previous colors there. And then I'm going to do a pop of color with this pink, which is called In Bed. And if you say all the colors together, say it with style, otherwise you might as well just stay in bed. It makes a sentence. I didn't notice that till just now. And that is really brightening everything up. This beautiful pink. Such a pretty palette. I'm going to do a little bit, so dark on this left side. Let me get a blending brush. Let's blend some of this. It's so harsh. Ah, that's much better. I am going to go into this first color, Say It, and I'm going to use my finger and put that in the inside corner, and then bring it across the pink a little. I'll use my opposite finger. And it's super pretty. We are loving it. I need to go under the brow though with this color right here with a fluffy profusion brush. I think I'm going to go back in with the pink a little. With this little Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is a super pretty look. Super pretty. I need to blend that a little. I use this fluffy brush. Just looks so harsh. That's better. It just looks so different on the other side. Let me go in with this. I think it's just because the light's so bright, it looks crazy different. The light is so bright, it makes a big difference. All right, it's close enough for rock and roll. Let's do some liner. We love some liner. If we can find it. It's mascara. What have I done? Here we go, the Stila. Stila. That's the country coming out. And that looks super good. We're going to use the Pat McGrath mascara because it is new and fantastic. It does a great job. I'm so glad because it was like $30. I got this and a really cool face mask for $40 and free shipping. And I'm so glad that this mascara lives up to what my hopes were. It even works great on my left eye, which is super hard because the lashes are shorter over there. But it does a really super nice job. And I'm going to do this beautiful Suva color, which is so tiny, in fictional reality. And it's a beautiful little plummy color. It's really thick formula. And if you didn't know, I've got a scar on my lip right there, so sometimes it is difficult to get a good line on my lip. And that looks fantastic with this look. Very creamy, very thick, but not in a bad way. So there we have it. We have the Marc Jacobs Provocoutre palette. And we love it. We made a beautiful look today. We, the royal we. I hope, oh, the contest, that's right. What is in the contest? I almost forgot. Well, we have an Ultra Stain lip from ColourPop. We have an awesome face mask from Hello Mama Kama. We have a fancy bar of Tom's coconut soap. We have Claudely, which is very fancy. Lotion, like a clear skin purifying toner. We have a little mini mascara from MAC. We have a charcoal pore care daily skin mask. We have a little mirror from NCLA. And we have the Weed Queen palette, which is gorgeous. It is a beautiful palette. And it's from Millennial Beauté. And it is pretty as a picture. You can make some really beautiful looks with that. There's a little plastic. And we put it back in the bubble wrap. And that is what is in the giveaway. And to enter the giveaway, you have to like, comment, enter me, and tell me what your favorite, I do so many favorite things. Tell me what your favorite video game is, you know, like, I don't play video games currently, but I love Miss Pac-Man, or, you know, so if you're super old like me, it could be asteroids or whatever, but just tell me what your favorite video game is and enter me and you'll be entered, and the giveaway will be drawn in 1 week from today and will be announced on the same day. And this is a great giveaway and I can't wait to see who wins. Who will be lucky this time? We shall see. Have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and may the best winner be picked by the comment picker. Bye.